Hi everyone. This is CryptoBenz again. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so that you will be informed once I uploaded a new video to my channel. Today's content that I might share with you is related to investing in two ways. First, it's about dollar cost averaging, and second, one-time investment for cryptocurrency. Which of the two will be benefited you? Please share your thought in the comment section, like, and share. My first illustration will tackle the crypto dollar cost averaging. This kind of investment strategy will actually take advantage of the fluctuation of the price of any cryptocurrency coin that you might be interested in. The basic principle of dollar cost averaging is that you are pledging to buy on a monthly basis with a certain amount or higher, just to buy that coin during the time or schedule of your purchase. In my illustration, I use the $83.33 in 1 year period of time, and it will be $1,083.29. We will use the Shiba Inu data from CoinMarketCap. Let's start from March of 2021, with the price of $0.00000006 from $83.33, and getting 1,388,833,333.33 coins. As we go on, from March to December of 2021, you will notice that the price fluctuates every month, so no of coins accumulated is about 1,491,183,788.59 with the profit loss of $49,820.45. We go. From January 2022, the price is lower than last December 2021 and the same amount of $83.33 monthly investment with a total of 1,495,072,262.69 coins. March of 2022, with the price of Shiba Inu 0.00002354, you got around 1,501,847,054.97. The profit loss $35,353.48. Let's summarize it. So your total investment from March 2021 to March 2022 will sum up to $1,083.29, and the profit loss of $35,353.48. Imagine you got 34 times in return. My second illustration is still the same coin as Shiba Inu, just to be fair. Shall we say you have $1,000 during the time you want to buy Shiba Inu after all your research and doing your own due diligence research and decided to dive into Shiba Inu, that believing that you'll give you tremendous return in the future, but in this illustration, we just only focus for the 1 year return. This data is taken from CoinMarketCap as our reference to this sample calculation. We just still use the March of 2021, with the price of $0.00000006 and $1,000 as one-time investing, and you got 16 billion coins. As you notice the price from an increase in matters of months only and focus on October 2021 price $0.00006724 and profit loss $1,120,666.67. You got so much return of your investment that time. Let's continue. From January of 2022, the price is lower than the price of December of 2021, but you notice that the price increased from February to March of 2022 of $0.00002354 with the profit loss of $392,333.33, and you notice from $1,000 to $392,333.33 is giving you 391 times in return compared to the bank. So, it's up to you folks which of the two strategies suit your investment appetite. Would you go to dollar cost averaging if you don't have on the spot cash? Always remember that this is just only a guide.